Hey friends, welcome back to Uttara Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Remember how I said stay tuned to find out a mystery recipe that goes perfect with sweet potato fries? Today we are making a jackfruit burger. In this recipe, we're using ripe jackfruit. Check the description box below for the list of ingredients. We have posted a pickled vegetable video, and some of you have reached us and asked how to use them. We are going to make an orange pickled vegetable slaw using this pickled vegetable. Watch this video to the end to find out how to use this slaw in this recipe. Pickled beets, pickled carrots, red cabbage, shredded lettuce, pickled radish, pickled cucumber, pickled onion, pickled jalapenos. In a mixing bowl, add all the ingredients. If you want to know how to make these pickled vegetables, watch the suggested video that pops up. Add salt for taste. Add 1 tablespoon of orange juice. Mix well and set it aside. Now, let's prepare our jackfruit burger patty. In a food processor, add jackfruit. Chopped ginger, garlic, and green chili. Chopped onion. Besan or chickpea flour. Garam masala. If you don't have garam masala, you can substitute with curry powder or Old Bay seasoning. Red chili powder. Cilantro. Salt. About 1 tablespoon of oil. Pulse until everything comes together. Don't overgrind the mixture or else it will become sticky. If the dough is still sticky, add 2 more tablespoons of chickpea flour or besan. This is perfect. Transfer into a mixing bowl. This is optional. We'd like to add about 1/4 cup of soya granules to our burger for texture and taste. Mix well and set it aside for 10 minutes. Scoop out the dough. Apply a little oil in hands and form patties. If you would like to have more fun, take a mold and mold the patty. Refrigerate patty for 30 minutes. Heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the patties. Cook until the patties are golden brown, about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. I like my patties to be well done, so I'm giving it an extra minute. Toast burger buns on the same pan. We are assembling 2 burgers. One with orange pickled vegetable slaw, and the other with traditional lettuce, onion, and tomato. Place the jackfruit patty on top. The final step to finishing this perfect patty is to take the top bun and slowly close your burger. Enjoy this jackfruit burger with oven-baked sweet potatoes and condiments. Watch our suggested video that pops up. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye bye.